How do I make a home for butterflies? Abby, help me out.
Yes, so right here we have our fennel patch. This is a host plant for most swallowtail butterflies.
Okay.
And they will eat this down to the ground. So if you have fennel at your house and you see a caterpillar on it, it's okay. The plant, the herbs themselves benefit from being browsed by the herbivore.
Okay.
But they'll chew it to the ground, and then it'll come back with a vengeance type thing.
So you need to have it planted already.
Yes, okay. I plant mine in the fall and help them over winter so that in the springtime, they're big and ready to go for the caterpillars. I also keep an herb garden for myself and an herb garden for the caterpillars. So if I find caterpillars on my herbs, I have a place to move them.
You transfer
Yes.
them. Okay.
That being said, we also will foster your butterfly, your caterpillars here at Nature's Way.
If you run out of fennel.
Yes.
They go through it that quickly.
So quickly, they will really eat you out of house and home.
Now, what about the milkweed? That attracts the monarchs.
Correct. Yes. And so same thing with the milkweed. The milkweed, it gets tall, it gets big with the leaves, and then the caterpillars come and it's gone, right?
Yeah.
We also will foster the caterpillars for the milkweed too. We have all the host plants here. Okay. So we can, if you get overrun, we can handle that.
That's great.
Yeah.
Well, we want to have a great nurturing home for our butterflies. So thank you so much for advising us on our fennel and on the milkweed.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.